With Coyote, safety is a top priority, and all of their grills come with easy-to-follow steps for optimum performance. This quick tip is going to show you how to light your barbecue safely, and the first step is to make sure to open the hood. Making sure to open the hood will prevent any gases from building up and igniting a large amount of gas. Now, when lighting the Coyote barbecues, they have a very unique lighting system that allows you to strike at the same time you're turning the knob. The piezo ignition system simply lets you turn, it strikes the ignition, and your burner should be rolling. The S series comes with 3 main burners, which can all be ignited by turning counterclockwise and simply striking. The C series now does not come with infrared burners. Those infrared burners require a special starting sequence, and it goes just like this. Your main sear station requires you to push and depress the knob in. Hold for 5 seconds, and then turn a quarter turn, holding for 3 to 5 seconds, allowing enough gas to come into the strike zone. Strike, and it's lit. Now, when it comes to the infrared burner that you use for rotisserie, I'll turn the others off for now, and simply follow this procedure. Press and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Make a quarter turn, allowing some of the gas to fill the ignition area, and then strike. Now, if for some reason your burner doesn't light on the first time, you can try 2 more times for a total of 3. But if at that point it still won't light, make sure to turn the burner to the fully off position, and then try it again after you've waited 5 minutes. Try again 3 times, and if for any reason it won't light at that point, please refer to your owner's manual for a manual lighting procedure. Do that to get it rolling. Now, if for any reason you cannot get it lit whatsoever, you can always call Coyote and you can talk to one of their technical experts. They'll be able to get you the help you need. Remember, for this quick tip and for many more, go to coyoteoutdoor.com.